Reading the Bible can feel overwhelming at first, but it can be a meaningful and rewarding journey. Start by choosing a Bible translation that is easy for you to understand, such as the New International Version. The Gospels, Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John, are a great place to begin. They tell the story of Jesus' life and teachings. You don't have to read the Bible cover to cover. Start with a section that resonates with you. Many find it helpful to follow a Bible reading plan, which guides you through specific passages each day. It's okay to read just a few verses at a time. Take it slow and reflect deeply on the meaning. Journaling your thoughts and questions as you read can help you process and apply what you learn. Praying before and after reading invites understanding and helps you connect spiritually with the text. Consider joining a Bible study group to share insights and learn from others' perspectives. A study Bible or commentary can provide historical context and explanations for challenging passages. Remember, the Bible is a collection of books with different genres: poetry, history, prophecy, and more. Don't worry if you don't understand everything at first. The Bible offers new insights each time you read. Focus on what stands out to you. Often, specific verses resonate for a reason. Reflect on them. Most importantly, read with an open heart. The Bible is meant to guide, comfort, and teach. So, how should you read the Bible? Take it step by step, reflect deeply, and let it speak to your heart.